Thank you for your interest in BRE's online lifecycle assessment tool for construction products, LINA. In this short video, a brief introduction to LINA will be given along with a preview of the tool itself. LINA can be used by manufacturers and trade associations to generate LCA results. But what is LCA? LCA, or rather life cycle assessment, looks at the different stages of a product's life in order to assess the associated environmental impacts. At a minimum, LCA requires production data from the manufacturer, a set of rules to apply. For construction products, this could be the European standard EN 15804, and technical expertise from an LCA consultant. The LCA consultant will sort and allocate the data and model it using LCA software, the output of which is LCA results. Both allocation and modeling are done according to the applied rules. Once the manufacturer has their LCA results, what can these be used for? LCA results with supporting documentation can be independently verified by a third party. After successful verification, the results can be used to produce Environmental Product Declarations, EPD. EPD are used to convey the environmental performance of products. For construction products, applications of EPD include product environmental footprinting, eco-design and use in sustainable building rating schemes such as BREEAM and LEED, green procurement, environmental management systems such as EMAS and ISO 14001, business-to-business communications, and business-to-consumer communications. As mentioned, technical expertise, often in the form of an external LCA consultant, is required to process, allocate, and model production data from the manufacturer using complex LCA software. This linear process is time dependent on both parties, and there is some disconnect between the manufacturer and the LCA process. LINA provides an alternative to this. The data that LINA uses has already been modeled using LCA software to EN 15804. This reduces the complexity of the process, allowing the user to enter their data directly into the tool and to generate instant LCA results. The LCA consultant has a more advisory role, for example, in helping the manufacturer to allocate their data. This more circular process supports the engagement of the manufacturer with their data, the LCA process and results, as well as reducing time limitations. So, how easy is it to use LINA? LINA is an online tool. You are provided with a username and password so you can log in and access your account at any time. For each product you wish to create LCA results for, you simply create a new project. It is simple to set up your new project by entering general product information. Once you have entered your product information, you then select the scope of your project and the modules you would like your LCA results to cover. Production output and data period covered are entered during manufacturing site setup. If the product is made at multiple sites, you simply add these when setting up your project. Once these have been entered, manufacturing data can be added for each site. Raw material constituents can be selected from the drop-down lists, the quantities entered, and the transport type and distance selected. This simple process is then repeated as many times as necessary to include all the raw materials that go into the product. Ancillary materials, packaging, energy, and water are also added in the same way by selecting options from drop-down lists. The same simple method is used to add production waste and any emissions from the manufacturing process. Data for other selected modules are added in the relevant site tabs. The donut in the top left-hand corner reports the product's overall environmental impact and its BRE EN EcoPoints score. This single point score is a unique feature of LINA that can be used for internal benchmarking or simple product impact comparisons. The donut also shows the product's impacts in 11 key environmental impact categories. Once all the required information for the selected modules has been entered, results can be viewed in the LCA Results tab. The results can be downloaded along with a mini report which contains the input data, additional information you have entered, and the LCA results. This mini report, along with supporting information, can be submitted to BRE Global for verification. As you can see, LINA is a simple, easy-to-use tool with BRE LCA consultant support. Online availability and unlimited access allows manufacturer flexibility and control, and a better understanding of your products and environmental impacts. It provides quick generation of LCA results to support verification and issue of EN 15804 compliant EPD. Thank you for your interest in LINA. If you would like to learn more about LINA, please contact the Center for Sustainable Products via BRE Customer Services by emailing enquiries@bre.co.uk.